Hey crew, welcome back to the channel. We have another small Walmart grocery haul. Whew. And let us know how y'all doing today. Let us know how y'all weather is. Like it is in the 90s here, and with the heat index, it's like 100 and something degrees here. And it's so freaking hot that it look like it's fog on the road, but it's really not. It's just on the heat burning the asphalt, and you can smell the asphalt too when you step outside. So we're gonna start here. The queen picked up a party-sized bag of Ruffles, cheddar, and sour cream. Got a box of Nutty Buddy. These old school. Remember back in the days, you know, kids used to love those. Kids still love them. Then we have some powder donuts. And we got one bag of the Camellia red kidney beans and the Zatarain's red bean seasoning, because Mama Margaret said she wanted some red beans today, so that's what she's gonna have. And we picked up a Mountain Dew and a strawberry lemonade Sunkist and another thing of oil, because we've been using it and we fry fish, so we don't like to, you know, use oil after we fried fish and put chicken in it. So we're gonna use some new oil for the fried chicken. So we have one pack of the chicken drumsticks and a pack of the breast tenderloins, and I will be doing a video with this, and that video will be inserted in this video. So if y'all want to see what I'm doing with these breast tenderloins, y'all stay tuned. And if you're new to the channel and you've seen this, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell, set post notifications to all, like the videos, and comment on the videos. And we're about to get into the second part of this video. Alright crew, so we're gonna make some lemon pepper honey chicken, and we have our chicken here, and as usual we're gonna go in with the crystals. And season your chicken how you like it. And to season the chicken, I'm gonna use some black pepper, a little salt, and my personal season, all-purpose season, contains no salt. Hopefully, real soon, once I find a company that mixes, I can start getting this out to everyone if they would like to purchase some. Here's our seasoned chicken.
Until the first light of dawn, just like that, without no warning, it hit me so hard. Oh, I'm so sorry, girl, I didn't mean to. I done missed it up again. Yeah, I'm sorry if I crossed the line. Supposed to do right now, baby, I'm falling for you. What I would do for you to love me too. No, I can't hide it no more. What I would do for you to love me too. Try to tell what you were thinking.
Okay, crew, so I'm finished frying the chicken. We're about to get into the sauce. It's not gonna take long. It's easy, quick, and simple. And we wanna still get the sauce on our chicken while it's hot. We're gonna drain this. I'm gonna reposition y'all. The chicken. Okay, crew, so we got 2 tablespoons of butter here that we're gonna melt down. And like I said, it's real easy. Fry your chicken and season your chicken your way, and take 2 tablespoons of butter, melt it down. Then while that's melting, we're gonna add some honey into it. Then we're gonna add our lemon pepper seasoning. And it's that easy, y'all. And that's our lemon pepper honey sauce. Okay, crew, so have a bowl here. We're gonna take a couple of these strips. And what we're gonna do with our sauce, we just gonna drizzle our sauce over.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your...
And there we have our lemon pepper honey fried chicken. Here go a close up, y'all. Y'all, thank you for watching the video. And don't forget to like the video and comment on the video. And if you're new and seeing this, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell and set post notifications to all. And Pops will catch you in the next video. Pops out. Peace.